I am an author, illustrator, and special education teacher. I grew up in Leakey, Texas, a small town in the Hill Country. I think my books would be the perfect fit for HEB's Quest for the Best because they're real stories inspired by the Hill Country and the life that I've lived here. I self-publish my children's books under the pen name Aunt Shelly, which is what my nephews call me. They're hand-drawn inspirations from our beautiful state and or photographs from places I've visited. In my books, you'll travel the state, you'll dream under the Texas stars, you'll experience the animals and sounds from the Hill Country, you'll camp by the Frio River, even grow corn in Canipa, Texas. But most of all, the families will learn values that are important to all Texans, including the love of family, the value of hard work, and the dedication to follow your dreams. I've even created a companion activity book for trampoline dreaming, so families can take it with them on road trips, camping trips, fun car rides, or just to have some screen-free activity time. My books help kids enjoy nature and learn to appreciate what's around them, spread the love of family and values that we all aspire to live by. Thank you so much, HEB, for this amazing opportunity for creators and makers to have their products featured in your amazing store. And I can't wait to work with you guys to have my books distributed in HEB stores across the state. All right, if you want a copy to take to your next campsite, shellycreatesIt.com.